Hi everyone, I'm Nat, and this afternoon I'm in Perth standing in this amazing Dale Alcock home. Let's go and take a look. Here we are in this gorgeous kitchen. What I love about this space is how they've kept the island bench separate, perfect for entertaining. And coming over here, they've put in the Arthur Exact undermount sink, teamed that with the Mizu drip tapware, nice and compact, making it perfect for entertaining. With brilliant design, you come into the laundry space. I'm automatically drawn to this trough. It's really big, super practical for doing the washing. And here we are in the oversized scullery, which is an absolute entertainer's dream. We've got the double undermount sink, which is really large for washing the dishes and hiding the mess when you've got people sitting in the living room. And here we are in the main ensuite of this beautiful home. I think this is possibly the largest shower I've ever been in. I love the way that the natural light streams through this oversized window. And looking up here, you've got the nickel pearls double rail. And if that wasn't enough, look above me. We've got the Technobilly Rain ceiling mounted shower. You just get that feeling of absolute luxury. How is this for an opulent statement piece here in this gorgeous bathroom? We've got the AXA Uno oversized basin, teaming it with the Mizu tapware that's throughout the entire home, and together it creates a great look. I love the Signet toilet. It makes it nice and easy for cleaning. The dust doesn't get behind it. Heading over to the basin, we've got the compact basin with the trendy bottle trap underneath, making the space feel bigger. Welcome into the family bathroom, and this one is all about practicality for the little people in our lives. If you come over here to the vanity, you can see that we've got the Acacia E basin. Down here, you've got a compact base bath, teaming that with the Posh spout, which is on a swivel, making it really practical, ensuring that they don't hit their heads. I hope that you have enjoyed walking through this amazing Dale Alcock home with me today. It's very evident that it's every millimetre of detail that makes a huge difference in making this house feel like a home. They put the customer at the heart of everything that they do, so that the minute you step in, it just feels right.